Good afternoon. This is Universal News Media. Today is May 22nd, 2018. The images you will be viewing just came in yesterday and a few of them this morning from the Alaskan Federal Aviation weathercams. Our first video was captured by the southwest-facing weathercam in McKinley Park. It shows a huge orb in the upper left corner of the screen as the sun approaches. Notice that the orb does not move at all over the course of an hour, which means it must be one of the lenses that NASA installed to obscure viewing. The east-facing weathercam located in Kwethluk, Alaska, captured a celestial object rolling through the sky in a westward direction. We know this is not a lens flare for two reasons. It's rotating at a different rate than the sun, and it is also in motion independent of the sun. Here is that same celestial object from the east-facing camera in Kotzebue. It's nearly invisible in the atmospheric chemicals. Even with contrast applied, it is still difficult to see, but as you can see, it's definitely there. For anyone who didn't see this same phenomenon in an earlier video, this is viewed from the west-facing weathercam in Kotzebue. Watch the metal roof, and watch the reflection cross the metal roof. It takes exactly 4 hours for the reflection to cross the roof. Thus, we know it's not a reflection of an aircraft. 3 hours later, the sun begins to reflect upon the roof from the completely opposite direction. Unfortunately, it was very late at night here in the Eastern Time Zone, and I fell asleep, missing some of the frames which are only available for a few hours. But this morning I did catch the end of it. Notice the sun going in the opposite direction of the first reflection we saw hours ago. In Kwethluk, Alaska, the east-facing weathercam shows two orbs made very faint in the atmospheric chemicals, which have been very heavily sprayed throughout all of Alaska and Canada recently. Contrast brings them into view better. Notice that over the course of 30 minutes, the celestial object at the top, blurred by technology, moves in a westerly direction. However, the round object at the bottom does not. It remains stationary. This tells us that the object at the top is a celestial object moving independently of the sun's motion. However, the object at the bottom, being stationary, is most likely another one of NASA's lenses. This is why the celestial object at the top is very blurry. It has been blurred by technology. Yesterday, between 4:30 and 5 o'clock p.m. Alaskan time, every single camera I looked at, without exception, had at least one frame removed. Even when very thick cloud cover was present and nothing could be seen in the sky from the camera, something must have caused either a flood of light or an absence of light in order for thousands of images to be removed during the same period of time. If anyone watching this has any insight on this, please leave a comment below to enlighten the rest of us. The reason I'm mentioning this now is because there is a possibility that this video from the southwest-facing weathercam in Kwethluk, Alaska, may give us a clue as to why all those frames were removed. The video begins at 10:12 in the morning. 10 minutes later, the horizon glows brightly, and the landscape brightens. 10 minutes later, the horizon is darker. The morning continues normally, and by 1:30 in the afternoon, the horizon begins to glow again. Then by 4:30 and 5 o'clock, a frame has been removed. Again, if any viewers in Alaska noticed anything odd between 4:30 and 5 p.m. local Alaskan time, please leave a comment. The east-facing weathercam located in Kologanik, Alaska, shows two different light sources yesterday morning. The smaller light source at the bottom is our sun. The larger, brighter light source at the top is something else. These objects are part of an approaching celestial system. Many people ask when this system will make its closest pass to our Earth. A general indication of time is provided in the following screens of text. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe.